Hello student, today we are going to learn area. This is part of chapter number 12, perimeter and area, 4th standard mathematics. Now Saina said, I have more chikki than you. Then Virat said, I have more chikki than you. These fighting for the chikki. She said, I have more chikki. He said, I have more chikki. They fight for the chikki. Then Sumatai, stop, don't fight. Saina, why don't you count the number of square you have? Then Sumatai told to him, why you count the number of chikki square you have? Saina, count. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Saina said, I have 16 square of chikki. Then Virat also count the number of square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Virat, I have 16 square of chikki too. Then Saina, we were fighting for nothing. Saina told them, we have same number of square, then we are fighting over nothing. Tai, we have both the same amount of chikki. Sumatai, that's right. The thickness of the square of chikki you both have is the same. So let's measure the surface. Means the thickness of both the chikki are same. See. And the square, so let's measure their surface. Then he measure the surface. There are 16 square of equal measure on both your slabs. Means these are 16 square and these are also 16 square. Therefore you both get same amount of chikki. Then Sumatai said, you both have same amount of chikki because these are 16 square and these are also 16 square, and the thickness of chikki are same. Thickness means this sides. Thickness of this chikki are both are same. Means on any surface the number of the place occupied by the figure is the area of that figure. Means number of square is the area of that figure. The standard unit of measurement of area is the square of side 1 centimeter. This is standard unit for measurement of area. Now see, there the area of figure is given in the square centimeter. Now we have given a figure and the area in a square centimeter, and this write in short as SQCM. This is short term of square centimeter. To find out area of this rectangular piece of paper, now this is a piece of rectangular paper and we have to find the area of this piece of paper. Let's count number of square with side of 1 centimeter on the paper. To find the area of this square paper, we have to count number of square. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 squares. Means the area of the paper is 10 square centimeter. Now see the next figure. To find out the area of the shape given alongside, we have to given this shape and we have to find out the area of this shape. Let us count the number of square with side 1 centimeter in it. Now we have to find the area of this shape. Area of shape is equal to number of square. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Means 9. Therefore area of the shape is 9 square centimeter. Now see the next figure. A big rectangular table is 3 meter long. We have to given a big rectangular table, and this is a 3 meter long and 2 meter wide. This is long and this is 2 meter wide. the surface of table is to be laminated. We have to laminate the surface of the table, and border tape has to be fitted along its sides, and here you have to fit the tape, means in this way. Means we have to calculate area and perimeter of this table. Now measurement of laminate. We have to laminate this table surface, means we have to calculate the area of table top is equal to number of square occupying the table top. How many squares on the table top? Let's count. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Therefore the quantity of laminator needed is 6 square meter. Now length of border tape is equal to perimeter of the surface of table. Sum of the length of all four sides of the surface, means perimeter means we have to sum the length of four sides of the surface. Now see, this is the surface, sides of this surface. Therefore this is 2 3 2 and 3 is equal to how many? 10. Means therefore the length of border tape needed is 10 meters. Now we solve exercise. Find the area of the following figures. All small square are of 1 square centimeter area. Now we have given a identity card and we have to find out the area of figure. To find area of this figure, we have to count number of square. Let's count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24. Means number of square is 24. Therefore area of this figure is 24 square centimeter. See next figure. We have to calculate the area of this figure. Area of figure is equal to number of square. Let's count. 1 2 3 4 4. Therefore the area of this figure is 4 square centimeter. Now third figure. Area of this figure is equal to number of square. Let's count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8. Therefore the area of this figure is 8 square centimeter. Now fourth. Area of this figure is equal to number of square. Let's count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 square. Therefore area of this figure is 7 square centimeter. Okay, thank you for watching the video.